Since the implementation of the COVID-19 Act that made it mandatory to have the face covering when outside of the home, Grenada has seen a number of innovative styles and designs which resulted in tailors, seamstresses, and craftsmen capitalizing on the regulations. Over the past few months, police have addressed the proper way of wearing a mask or face covering, what is acceptable and unacceptable. Dr. Sean Charles, Acting Chief Medical Officer in the Ministry of Health, explains the importance of wearing the mask, contrary to claims that the mask is not an effective tool in the prevention and control of the virus.
Masks are important public health tools, especially when you are dealing with infectious or contagious respiratory diseases. What we must remember is that when we talk or when we laugh or when we sing or shout, and even when we cough and we sneeze and so on, we release tiny particles into the air, all right? And these particles can carry germs that can infect other persons. When you wear a mask, you are limiting the amount of these particles that are spread into the air. And the mask also protects the wearer from splashes and so on that come from other persons.
The appropriate way to wear a mask was detailed by Dr. Charles, who pointed out that due care and attention should be given when removing the mask.
When someone wears a mask, the mask should cover the nose and the mouth. Similar to how I have these masks here, all right? It should cover both your nose and your mouth, all right? Now, care must be taken when putting on the mask, but especially when the mask is being removed, all right? Before putting on the mask, the individual must clean and sanitize their hands, so wash your hands with soap and water, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Some of the more common masks that are available now come with a loop that goes around the ear. When putting the mask on, all right, it should be handled by the loops, all right, by the loops that are secured behind the ears.
People are reminded that wearing the masks over the mouth only defeats the purpose of the face covering, as droplets can be inhaled through the nose. For GBN News, Beverly Tellisford.